I find it always very amazing that in the 21st century we have access to machines in our pocket like ChatGPT, Claude, and Cursor that have such deep knowledge of the world, and that you can ask them questions and they can basically give you any response to anything. But I also find it equally frustrating that these machines have no context of our lives, don't remember basically anything, and I have to constantly be explaining myself back over and over and over again. Now, I've been working on something in the background that I wanted to show you guys today that will solve this problem once and for all. We have built a memory system that can implement into all of your AI applications and have consistent memory across all of them. So you'll never need to re-explain yourself again, and it can learn and remember things alongside you as you chat with these models. Welcome to the Gene Memory Dashboard. This is where all of your life's context and all of your memories and projects will live. We've made this in a way in which it is as easy to implement and connect as possible, and these applications are becoming easier to implement every day, and soon they will be like apps in the App Store. But I'm going to show you how you can simply connect to Claude and be able to immediately use our tools in the Claude application. Now, I've already connected, but what you're going to do is you're going to pull the connection command, and then you're going to simply open up Terminal or Command Prompt if you're on Windows. And in this position, you can simply install that command, and it's going to install on your server. And then after this point, you can go directly to Claude, and you can start using this tool. In this case, I'm going to say, remember that I'm filming a tutorial for Gene Memory, and this is going to be added to my memory bank, and it's going to be quick and fast, and immediately become a part of your context bank. Now, these memories are all retrievable across Cursor, across ChatGPT for deep research, and other applications entirely. You can see that we have the tools listed here, where you can ask memory, you can add memories. I can say, ask memory for what I'm working on now. And this will go through basically all of my recent memories and be able to return the exact thing that I've been working on and the relevant context in my life, so you're not starting fresh with a new chat every single time. Similarly, we've built out tooling for deep memory search, which is basically doing a very long context pull on everything in your life. And I've been constantly astounded at how good this works. And I basically put in 20 plus documents of my entire life, and it's able to pinpoint exact things that I might be needing to pull. And that context is generally very helpful for any sort of conversation starter, rather than copy pasting old context continuously into any new chat. There you have it. That's Gene Memory. Check it out. And we've also built more advanced features that you can check lists of your memories. You can build a life graph and then be able to go through all of the different nodes of your life and see how everything connects. And so I've kind of noticed over time what I find very interesting is my life graph has basically become much more extensive, and all these memories build up, and you can start to get a real view of what a person is, who they are, and you can even begin to draft their life narrative, and that life narrative is incredibly helpful for context as well, to provide to any AI model.